In this video, I'm going to show you how to save your Instagram draft reels directly to your gallery. So let's get started. First, open the Instagram app on your device. Next, tap on the plus icon at the bottom of the screen and switch to the Reels tab. At the top, tap on Drafts to view all of your saved reel drafts. Now, select the draft reel that you want to save to your gallery. Once the draft opens, tap on Edit in the top right corner. Without making any changes, tap on the share or upward arrow icon. A menu will appear at the bottom of the screen. Swipe through the available options until you find the download icon. Tap on Download, and Instagram will begin saving the reel to your device. Once the download is complete, you'll see a confirmation message, and the reel will be available in your gallery. And that's it. You've successfully saved an Instagram draft reel to your gallery. If this video helped you, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tutorials.